Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2016 Ford Taurus. This vehicle is featured in silver metallic paint with alloy rims and a chrome front grille. We also have front and rear privacy tint, a sunroof, black leather interior seating, all-wheel drive, as well as our V6 engine. Now moving on to the interior of the Ford Taurus, I'll walk you through a few of the driver's features, starting off with our door panel. You can see we have our black patent leather, chrome door handle, and our lock and unlock buttons. We also have our wooden trim that transitions into our close handle, our front and rear window controls, rear window lock, and our power mirror adjustment. We also have our speaker down below, as well as storage and a cup holder in the lower portion of the door panel. If we take a look at the front of the seat, we also have our memory seat option, and then our power seat adjustments with our power lumbar support. And off to the left of the steering wheel, we have our daytime running light switch and interior lighting dimmer switch. Our gauge cluster with screens on either side of our speedometer. Can adjust what is on either of those screens, left for the left one and right for the right one. Featured on the steering wheel, we also have our cruise control and our radio controls, Ford badge in the middle, and the steering wheel is wrapped in black leather. We also have wooden trim on the top. Our speaker tweeter just above our infotainment screen. You can see it displays our audio, climate, phone navigation, as well as applications. And then we also have our homepage here, which displays everything in a very organized home screen. We also have a CD player located just underneath of that. We have our symmetrical start-stop button, as well as our trunk release on either side. And then our volume control, which is located around our tune and our seek. We also have our source and sound, our dual zone climate controls and direction of airflow and fan speed adjustments above. Go ahead and put it in drive so we can see access to our cubby here, where we have our automatic park brake hold, lane departure warning, rear sunshade, which I'll show you in the back, as well as a 12-volt charging port. Our gear select stalk, obviously, and then just off to the left of that we have a cup holder and a phone holder. Beneath that is two more cup holders, which we can also remove the middle to make for a large storage compartment. Then we have our sync badging, padded leather center console lid. Inside we'll find two USB ports and a 12-volt charging port and a full felt line center console, top of which we have pen, lip balm holder. We also have our card holder, so you can keep nice and organized. We also have our front seats featured in black patent leather with perforated leather in the lower portion and gray stitching throughout. Again, these seats are air conditioning and heated. We also have a heated steering wheel. Above the rear view mirror, we have our sunroof and moonroof controls, dome lights, as well as a sunglass holder. On the rear view mirror, we have three garage door openers, black headliner overhead, as well as a sunroof and moonroof. Back onto the exterior of the Taurus, we can take a closer look at our alloy rims. We also have our Taurus badging on the side, chrome mirror caps, as well as rear and front privacy tint, surrounded by a chrome ring on the windows. And around to the back, we also have a rear window tint, as well as a rear sunshade, Ford badging, as well as Limited and Taurus. And then underneath, we have dual exhaust. Before moving on to the rear interior, there's just one more thing I'd like to point out in the front. And off to the sides, we also do have a pedal adjustment and a power adjustable steering wheel and telescoping steering wheel. And that under this, as promised, we do have our rear sunshade button. Go ahead and press that, and you can see it just extends behind on the rear window. Now moving on to the rear, we'll take a look at the rear passenger door card, which does also feature our close handle, wooden trim, padded leather armrest, as well as our chrome door handle, window switch, storage, and speaker. Back of the front seat, we have a leather magazine holder. And back of the center console, we have vents, two heated seat options for the rear passengers, as well as a 12-volt charging port. The rear seats are featured in black patent leather with perforated leather in the lower portion. And we have our fold-out center seat, which features two cup holders. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2016 Ford Taurus. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.